Tangnai Shangnai Roma Jeti Klayo Wati Waka, Tripura Haseni, Joto, Hankor Bukakste, Amsa Gitingino Tabuk Tui Lomza, Tongkosong Lokroni Langma, Dunzala Klaja, Akurtola Dolini Simit Tiengai, Hapong Hatai, Halele, Hahoma, Jota Tayano, Tui Lomza. Kerungsat Hayapono Kaham Kerika, Obahai, Koktoma Mani, Naya Diluwa Tangzak, Hasini Montri Okra Dr. Manik Shah, Tripura Kifili Shopaka, Dilini Tripura Kifili Shopema, Logino, Tripura Hasini, Junzalomi Bukak Nahari, Koglamo Asuka, Hasini Montri Okra, Haste, Hapangni Tangpankara, Police, DIG, Rang Tangbedik ni Tangpang, PWD, DWS ni Kob Tangpang Kobe, Joto, Tangbedik ni Tangpang Robai, Malay Koglam Salakya.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Icaria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Icaria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.